Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 26. The Mountain. I woke before dawn, boots heavy, pack slung tight, and set off toward the mountain that loomed like a silent giant. Mist curled along the ridges, trees bending beneath its breath, and I felt my own heartbeat echo in rhythm with stone and soil. Birds called from unseen perches and streams tumbled in silver threads down steep slopes. Each step was hard, muscles burning, but the air tasted sweet with pine and sky. I paused on a ledge, looking down at valleys quilted with fields and villages, imagining every life moving quietly below. Sunlight broke through clouds, casting shadows that dance like ancient spirits, and I realized climbing isn't just about reaching the top. It's about noticing the world unfolding beneath your feet. By evening, I descended, tired but full, carrying the mountain's calm and its wild, enduring presence in my chest. Now listen to the poem. Dawn breaks, boots laced, pack tight, mist curls on ridges, ghostly light. Heart echoes stone, soil and air, birds call, streams tumble fair. Steps are hard, muscles burn, air tastes sweet with pine and fern. Ledge reveals valleys quilted low, sunlight casts shadows, spirits show. Climbing is more than reaching high. It's seeing the world beneath the sky. Evening falls, tired yet full. Mountain's calm makes chest pull. Wild and enduring, present stays, echoing quietly through all my days.